Hello and welcome to Mamaw Reads. Today we're just going to take a look at my nature journal that I created. It's called A Walk in Nature. A Walk in Nature is a coloring book and a journal for recording your thoughts, pictures, and memories in nature. A Walk in Nature. This book is dedicated to my son Caleb for giving me the idea for it. A walk in nature is a magical experience when you record your thoughts and the things that you see. And you can color there and write or draw anything you would like here. Write a short paragraph on what you expect to see on your walk. And you can color that picture and then write your paragraph here. Do you see a bird? Draw a bird that you see. There are so many plants in nature. Can you name some of the plants that you see? Are there other animals that you see? Draw some animals that you might see in nature here. Do you see flowers? Draw a picture of some of the flowers that you see. In nature, everything moves in rhythm with each other. Stop and listen to the sounds. What do you hear? Maybe a bird or something? Try and find some small insects and compare them. Are they all the same? Draw the insects and tell the comparisons. Tell how it makes you feel to be out in nature with all plants and animals. Do you feel at peace? Draw a picture of you enjoying nature with plants and animals around you. Have you seen any unusual rocks? Add pictures of your rocks or pebbles here. Breathe in deep. Close your eyes and relax and take in all that nature offers. How do you feel? Have you found any nice leaves from trees? What kind? Draw your leaves here. Hopefully you have written down memories that you will take with you, and when you can't be out in nature, you can look through your journal and remember all that nature gives us. Use the remaining pages to record other thoughts or pictures that you want to remember. And here I've included several more pages that you can just put things on that you see when you're out hiking or going for a walk in nature. I hope you enjoy this book. If you'd like to order one, I would appreciate it. It's available on Amazon. Just look for CJ Trotter. Thank you. Bye-bye.